Hello friends, I want to show you today how to disassemble the freewheel called Atom 77 Compact. And I have taken out the balls already and then open this side. And then I wanted also to grease the balls from the bearing on this side, but I can't open it. So I have to remove the freewheel, and I have no tool which fits in here. And the tool which you normally need is the Park tool FR4, but I don't have it. So I'll show you a way how to open the bearings without the tool. Okay, first of all, we go over this box and take the punch and open this here with a hammer. I haven't opened it already. Normally you open it clockwise. It's normally quite easy with a hammer and a punch. Open it. And come out here. So it's a Atom 77 Compact. And then next step is okay, then you can lift it, but the bearings will fall down in the box. And here I've taken all the bearings out from the freewheel. You can guess. These are exactly 77 balls. And it's divided in two niveaus. One niveau is, you can 41, and the other niveau is 36 balls. Altogether makes 77 balls. Be careful that you don't lose them. And now we have already opened the freewheel. Here are the balls. And I don't want to open this here. Just clean it. Put grease inside, oil a bit. And now I show how I did take off this part here. And I had no tool. And I just want to show, here is a gap and here's a gap. And you can open it like this, but this tool is much too weak. So I did put it in here. That these put it in here, in this tool, and then I open it like this counterclockwise. Needs a quite strong force, but it was possible. Then you can take it off. Okay, there was already a bit corrosion inside here. And then I can open the bearings, and I cleaned them. They haven't been so bad, but there was a lot of corrosion, some corrosion in the freewheel. Oh, that's all. Opening without a tool. I had no tool. Can save the money. And if you have a look on the cog wheels, they don't look so very good here. Yeah. But I don't want to buy a new one. I hope it will function for some years. Because if I buy a new one, I also need a new chain, and it's for me, the bike is not good enough to invest this money. Okay, All right.